Today we're going to wash my Tesla with a pressure washer, a cordless pressure washer, because I live in an apartment and there's nowhere to wash your car. And I'm not taking my Tesla through a car wash. So this is my solution. I think the first thing I'm going to do is move it into the shade. Got it all set up over there. It's supposed to be a really cold day, but it's actually not cold. Just going to dry it off now. Drying it off typically takes longer than washing it. So I like to squeegee the glass off makes it easier to dry. I don't squeegee the paint though. Not worth the risk of scratching it. I mean, you do it once, it's probably not going to hurt it, but you do it every time, it's going to scratch the paint for sure. So I like to use it. This is a chemical guy's drying cloth. Very good cloth to dry. Ceramic detailer, because there's these weird greasy marks all over it. See if I can show you what they look like. 40 minutes so far. It's a pretty moving cars. So I don't know if you can see that in the video, but yeah, see the smudge marks there? They rub off easy, but it's like, not sure what it is. They're everywhere. Could have been something in that water that I got today, or it's maybe the soap didn't get rinsed off properly, but I'm pretty sure, confident that the soap got rinsed off well, so I'm not, or it was something on there before I even started, who knows. But let's get that all cleaned up. Alright, I think that's enough for today. Typically I would vacuum and do the inside at the same time, but today vacuum cleaners upstairs. I'm going to do it a different day because I just don't want to do it today. Pretty good. Yeah, so this Ryobi cordless pressure washer, 2 7-gallon drums. They still have, oh, that one's half full, that one's a quarter full. Yeah, just found out this tap over here does actually work, because one of my neighbours was washing their car when I came over here to do my car. Crazy, because I always found, no, it just turned. I just wasn't turning it far enough. That's crazy. Oh my gosh. And gave the van a wash today too. Yeah, we'll get this closed up and we'll call it a day.